Alright guys, I've got a 42-inch, it's called a C142 Big Dog. This does have a fabricated deck on it. It's more like an entry-level Hustler though. It does not have, all the features that you'd usually have on a commercial grade mower. It looks really clean. Everything's in great condition aesthetically. Motor starts and runs fine. But I think that the drive shaft down to the PTO is bent. Don't know why, but that's just how it is on this mower when I got it. But the reason why is because I smell clutch, and there's quite a bit of vibration. When you engage the blades, they work, but there's also vibration there, and it doesn't feel like it's coming from the deck. So full disclosure, that's reflected in the price of this thing. I'll start it up and show you how she runs. It's a muddy mess out here right now. We've had nothing but rain. Vibration, but I feel it in my seat even when the blades aren't engaged. I'll go ahead and engage the blades. There's all the vibration there. Over here, do some cutting. Nice tall grass right here. Okay, so right after I finished shooting that video out there, I pulled it into the hut here, and I could smell that clutch like burning, you know what I mean, smoking from rubbing wrong. And so I looked underneath there and it had pretty much fallen loose. So, and now it's running and it's not shaking and vibrating. So I'm not sure if that shaft is bent or if it was just because that clutch was coming loose, just worn out or whatever. But I'll start it up for you and show it to you. Rev it up. So, good looking mower. Motor runs and doesn't smoke or anything like that, but either has a bad shaft, which I think can be fixed. I don't know. We don't really mechanic on these things. Or it could just be that PTO was jacked up on there. But that's what you got.